Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
This Purusha, whom the individual soul must approach, is the eternal form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is known as Brahm and Paramatma. He is the transcendental chief personality, and his activities are all spiritual. In order to distinguish the personality whom the individual soul must approach, it is described herein that this Purusha, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the chief amongst all living entities, and is the ultimate form of the impersonal Brahma fulgence and Paramatma manifestation. Since he is the origin of the Brahma fulgence and Paramatma manifestation, he is described herewith as the chief personality. It is confirmed in the Katha Upanishad, Nityo Nityanam. There are many eternal living entities, but he is the chief maintainer. This is confirmed in Bhagavad Gita also, where Lord Krishna says, Aham Sarvasya Prabhava, I am the origin of everything, including the Brahma fulgence and Paramatma manifestation. His activities are transcendental, as confirmed in Bhagavad Gita. Janmakama Kami Divyam. The activities and the appearance and disappearance of the Supreme Personality of Godhead are transcendental. They are not to be considered material. Anyone who knows this fact, that the appearance, disappearance and activities of the Lord are beyond material activities or material conception, is liberated. Yoveti tattvata tyaktva deham punarjanma. Such a person, after quitting his body, does not come back again to this material world, but goes to the Supreme Person. It is confirmed here, Purusha Purusham Vrajet. The living entity goes to the Supreme Personality simply by understanding his transcendental nature and activities.